And then moving to the next page, I have this. This is actually the final look of my first collection. First collection was unapologetic, period. Like me, bro, I'm not pleasing. I am just going all out. That's me. So when they come and see, they see the fabric, they see the sketches, the mood board, they're like, yeah, it makes sense. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shiki, and today I am back again with another video. So if you're new to my channel, this is Shiki, the fashion style lover. Welcome. So in today's video, you guys, I'm gonna show y'all, because I'm applying for university, and you guys, I already have some of my work inside. They're not in order, so I'm gonna have to arrange them. Now it's like, this is how my portfolio looks like. Everything needs to be full. And then for the digital form, I'm just gonna show you guys the app that I'm gonna be using, because the school, they need like a digital portfolio. But I also want to do this one because I'm gonna be applying for job. I just want to get this portfolio done, you know. What is it? Okay, this is the app. This is how, let me show you. It's called Behance. I'm gonna put the name on the screen so y'all can see it. But that's how the app looks like this one right here. Yeah, that one. So when you open the app, hold on. This is how it looks like. Yeah, so this is my banners. I already added, and as y'all see, it's pretty nice. Like, it's literally my collection and then my name on it. And then like, something good about this app, there's like the work section where you add your work. Basically it's like a website, but you know, you can add all the stuff here. And then here it's like about, you know, about you as a designer. And then here you can add your mood boards. Isn't it cool? I don't know, I was doing my research and I found it. Oh, I'm like so blessed. But like, this is how I'm gonna use it. If you guys want to see like a full video on how to use this, on how to like put yourself together, because I'm really creative. I know like when I'm done with this portfolio, it's gonna look banger. Like I can't wait. But yeah, that's how it looks like. But we're gonna focus more into what's going on here. I know for sure the first page of your portfolio needs to look banger. I'm like, this thing is about me, period. Okay, I'm selfish as I want my portfolio to be busy, but at the same time to be organized. Maybe I should have it here. Welcome to my world. Yeah, let's go, hey. I'm gonna get some tape. So yeah, that's the first page of my portfolio. So literally this first page represents me as a designer. As y'all can see, that's me right there wearing my clothing. And then I have my business card, because yo, I need to like promote my business at the same time. And like, it has all my info, you know, in case like you want to search me or whatever. So like, all the informations are here, so you can see. Yeah, they're all here. Yeah, so that's like literally how it looks like. And then now I'm gonna move into the next page. So for the next page here, I have a little introduction about myself. That's like a little summary, you know, about me. And then when I move to the side, I have like, this is one of the show for West Canada Fashion Week. That show was successful. I went second, so I just felt like it was great to have it at the beginning, because I want to keep my target engaged. I went a little creative. I had to add this one page, you know, it wasn't part of the portfolio, but I just like had to add it. And then when I flip it, it's like a bit cracky. When I flip it, I have another show I won for the first place, like that fashion show I had in 2023. So I just felt like it was great to add it here. Like I mean like why not, right? And that's me right there, and all my models, Victoire, period. So like when I went on this next page, I have this thingy, I have this other page I had to add as well, and then these are like my second collection. This is my first collection, this is my second collection, and then basically this one represent, like, I mean, these are my models, and then I'm like, yo, I love my models so much and I miss them so much. It's like I'm showing what I made before getting into the process, so I'm like, yeah baby. And then we're gonna move into the next page, period. So now we're moving into the next page. Now we're actually gonna go into detail. So like basically this is my so basically this is my mood board. So mood board of the first collection of the Wonder Woman and all that. That's how the mood board looks. So when you do your mood board, you want to do color. It's like color palette is really important. So you want to use the color. I use like the fabric, because the fabric was my inspiration for this color, I mean for this collection. So I felt like it was important to use this. So I used the chain because I had some chain in my collection, and then I had some denim. I had to use this hook, and I felt like it was great to have it because like almost all the clothes I had to use it. So like literally, yeah, the collection representation on this page. And then the next page I have this one. These are actually some of my sketches, and that's how it looks like. And then when I was drawing, like this is actually how I started doing. First of all, I had to brainstorm, and then after that I had to choose the stuff, the style I was going for, you know, select the looks I wanted to make. So this is actually what I selected, and I just kept some of them because obviously we're not going to use all of it, so we're just showing what we're capable of. So, and then at the bottom I have some fabric samples, and it's good to show your fabric because like it's actually showing that hey, she actually done it. Because like if you don't show the process, they're not gonna know exactly like what's going on. They're not gonna be 100% sure that you're actually the one who made those clothes, you know. So when they come and see the fabric, they see the sketches, the mood board, they're like, yeah, it makes sense. When I move into my next page, I have more of the sketches. So this one I have like the sketch with the fabric already on it, and with the color and all that, like how I want my model to slay, you know what I mean. So like at the bottom, yes, I have more fabric here. I just love using fabric because I love fabric, like I love fabric. So on the next page I have this manipulation. I've done this manipulation in my collection for the guys, so I just felt like it was great to have it here because to show just some samples, you know. And then when I move, I flip it, and y'all want to be creative, so we added this red thing because this collection was literally like the theme was kind of red, and then I felt like it was good, it was awesome to just use this. And then when I move into the next page, I have patterns. So now we're talking about patterns. So I had to film like this one is a skirt, and then that's a pant, that's a jacket. So literally I put my pattern, I put the style name, the style number, the number of pieces, and I did that with all my patterns, you know. And then I didn't want to stop there, so I added more pattern. So like here I added more, like this is a dress, that's this one is a jumpsuit, that's a jacket. So really you want to show your capacity, you want to show the pattern, like how you made it, you know. So when they see this, they're gonna be like, period. Here I have fabric manipulation. It's good to show this is actually the process of you making the clothes. So I had to show like manipulation, and then I had to add like 2 flats because I'm like, okay, so here I have the chain, that's actually how this thing gonna become. So I'm like really want to show like detail. I want them to understand because I don't want them to think too much. It's like when they see it, they're just gonna understand, you know what I mean. So really like you want to be clear about your work. And then moving to the next page, I have this this is actually the final look of my first collection. First collection was unapologetic, period. Like me, bro, I'm not pleasing, I am just going all out. That's me. And then here I have like Wonder Woman inspired. So this collection literally to show that it was inspired by the Wonder Woman. Yeah, so like moving to this page, I have my catalog. Hold on. So yeah, so when they get to this page, obviously they're gonna take this and flip it kind of to check. I just feel like it's awesome to have it. it's an extra thing, you know, like why not? We're actually putting all in. Like, we're not here to play. Come on, we're not here to play. You actually want to bring the best of your ability, okay? So that's what we're doing here. So moving to the next page. Wait, hold on, this thing is like, okay, so, and I had to add the catalog just like in the middle, so I had to like put two paper, as you can see, and just making like a folder and put my catalog inside. So moving to the next page, I have this outfit I made before, and that's me. And also I had the technical flat of it because I had to do the technical flat. So here you have all the indication of the pockets, the pockets, the split, you know, all the pocket, the split, the darks, everything is here, the top stitches, because when you look at this you can't really see the details. So like this one indicate all the detail, and then here you have the zipper. Yeah, so when they see this technical flat, they know exactly like what's going on here. So this is one of my project I made before. It's like looking so gorgeous. Imagine wearing those stuff and going to the beach. You like a little like slaying ass looking. I'm like a hot girl summer beach, like what? So this is actually one of my favorite sketches, and here I have the fabric of it, you know, the matching. Yeah, you see the collection and you see the fabric, or you see the mood board. It's like you know exactly what's going on. And yeah, and then here I have my technical flat, because yeah, I learned how to do digital art. So really it was important to show that part of my work, so to show that I can also do technical flats. And I've done this jacket on computer. That was really impressive, because and this jacket I had to made it. I mean, I made this jacket as well, and this is a denim, and that's me. I just made the fabric using my image. Like what? That's definitely something that Victoire would do. That's definitely something I would do. So I'm like, yeah, I might use myself to make a fabric out of it. I'm like, why not? I mean, I just love me, period. So yeah, I'm gonna flip it. So here I have my second collection, which is my last collection, I would say. So for this one, that's my mood board inspiration. That's like the first mood board, because for this one I had like two mood boards, but I had to choose because I was running out of space. So I chose this mood board. So basically the color palette, and then some words, some color, yeah. And then at the bottom I used like two fabric here to indicate like the fabric, some of the fabric of this collection. And then moving here, I have some sketches I've done, as you guys can see. Ooh, looking good. Ooh la la, classy. Okay, so I'm gonna move to the next page, and then here we have some chic sexant sketches. This one outfit, this is literally this one right here. You know, we literally just like kind of try to like incorporate the same stuff that's going on the model to the sketches. And yeah, moving for the last page, this is what we have, baby. So we have more sketches. Yeah, it's important to have, no, it's not sketches, we have more models with my clothing. And I feel like that's a great that's a really great closure, don't you guys think? And I have a little thank you here, you know, it's looking good. I actually like it. So basically that was it about my portfolio. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and like I said at the beginning of my video, if you guys want to see like the digital form of portfolio, let me know, because I figured out an easy way to get it done. And if you guys have any question or anything y'all want to see, let me know. This is the designer, I am back, this is what I do. And yeah, so basically that's all about this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you subscribe into my channel, come on. And yeah, that was Shiki, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.